Hi there, it's Mark from Visoid. In this short video, we will show you how to create a high-quality render from Sketchup with Visoid by recreating this photo. Recreating images is one of the best ways to learn a new tool and to improve your skills. This cabin is designed by Coleman Bay architects, and if you don't know them, I recommend visiting their website. They design amazing small-scale buildings out of Sweden. As you can see, this cabin has some beautiful pictures and this photo looks perfect to recreate. So let's dive in. First, you will use Sketchup to build a simple version of the cabin, simplifying some of the geometries for the sake of this video. Then you will build a scene with the necessary elements such as the ground, trees and basic textures. The next step is to set up the viewport. You want to create a clean image, so hide all the elements you don't need, such as lines, profiles, the horizon line and axis lines to avoid confusion. Now we have a pretty good image to start with, so let's export it and head to Visoid. First, upload the image and set the render settings to match the project. Next, type a detailed prompt using simple, descriptive language describing every important aspect of the final image. It's a good start, but you might want more life in the vegetation. Let's give more freedom to the model and render it again. It looks much better. If you look at the original image, the sea is behind us, so there should be woods on the right side. Let's fix that. Select the Replace tool located in the top menu bar. Mark the area that needs to be changed, then use both negative and positive prompting to ensure a good outcome. Add what you don't want to see in the negative section, the sea, while trees and woods go into the positive. The composition is pretty good now, but the lighting is kinda dull. You can easily modify that by using Iterate and describing the moods. As a final touch, you can improve the image by doing some color correction in Photoshop to achieve a similar tone to the original image. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more. And if you have any questions, hit the comment field below. Hope you have a great day, see you on the next video.